Monzo prepaid cards honest review. Watch before using. Most people get prepaid cards wrong. They assume they're just for budgeting. The surprising truth about Monzo prepaid cards is how versatile they are for spending, saving, and travel. And you won't believe how integrated they are with mobile banking. Here's how it works. Monzo offers prepaid cards linked to its app, allowing users to top up instantly, monitor spending, and set savings goals. The card works online and in store, with notifications for every transaction. For example, someone traveling abroad can use a Monzo prepaid card to avoid high ATM fees while tracking spending in real time. Most people get this wrong. They assume only regular bank cards are convenient, but Monzo combines budgeting, instant notifications, and spending controls in one card. Additional features include fee-free spending abroad, savings pots, instant top-ups, and easy freeze/unfreeze functionality. The app also provides insights into spending habits and recurring payments. However, there are considerations. Some prepaid accounts may not offer credit building, and top-ups require a connected bank account. Most people assume full banking features are included. It's primarily a prepaid and budgeting tool. In conclusion, Monzo prepaid cards are ideal for travelers, budget-conscious users, or those seeking instant control over spending. Its app integration and flexibility make managing money simple and secure. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of prepaid and digital banking solutions.